Hey guys, Happy New Year. It's your girl Shaded Diva. Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so I brought myself a Keurig machine. I haven't had one that I owned myself personally. My mom used to have a Keurig machine and it was really old. It wasn't used in years and it was disgusting dirty, and I brought it here from the apartment, but I just like, I'm not gonna use this. I don't care how much I clean it, I'm not gonna use it. So you know, I use the coffee maker. This is actually the coffee maker that I purchased from Target when we first got this apartment. So yeah, and my mom had got us another one, but something happened to that one. That was this is a Mr. Coffee, and it was a bigger Mr. Coffee, and I loved it, but I don't remember what happened to it. But I ordered another one from Target. I ordered a Keurig. So let's unbox it. This is the first opening of it. So it's sealed completely. Dang, it looks like somebody took a knife to it. Look. Shrink. Alright, so this is the K Mini. It fits anywhere. Your perfect amount, 6 to 12 ounces, 1 cup. Reservoir, add water each time. Fast and fresh brewing. And as you can see, it's the size of like this, like it's next to another mug, it's next to some books. So as you guys know, in my New York City apartment, you guys have pretty much seen my whole kitchen. I don't have that much space, you guys. So when I toss this, it will go in its place. So it's sealed. So let's break open that seal. Alright. Comes with, thanks for choosing Keurig. It comes with a let's get brewing instructions. It really is tiny. Wow! Amazing! So, with that being said, it's taped right here. That's the reservoir. That's the part that you open and you pour in your 1 cup of coffee. It only fills up to here. It has a little filter there. The plug is here. You can see. Yeah. So you can pull it out. And then you push it back in. Wow. Oh, that's how the other the Mr. Coffee was. And then you put it here. Wow, that's good. That's amazing. I love that already. This you pick up. Put the K-cup inside. Close it down. And the power button is right there. As you press the power and you press this button to start brewing, and then you put your cup here, and that's it. There's nothing to, that's Sabrina popping the paper. And then this is the, what you call it, the spillage cup. Y'all know that ain't the right word for it, but y'all know what I mean. Water reservoir. Okay. And it comes off, which is pretty good. It slides off so you can take it out, because even though you have one of these, I used to have a like the Poland Spring water thing. Even when you have one of those, the water still ends up going around it and you have to take it out. So it slides right in real easy. I'm gonna do it from here so you guys can see. Like that. That's pretty easy. So I'm gonna read the instructions a little further more off camera. So far as for first use, being that this is an unboxing, I'm pretty sure I have to wash it, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I read the instructions, and first of all, it has a warranty, so I'm gonna fill out the warranty. And it also says to register, because when you register your coffee at Keurig.com/new, you enjoy 50% off beverages. So, you know, there's a whole bunch of different varieties of Keurig machines. Keurig compatible K-Cups from Dunkin' Donuts to Green Mountain to Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts. So, you know, you have those. So you get 50% off, and it says valid up to 5 boxes, 24 count or smaller, with the coffee maker registration. And this expires in September 2nd of this year, 2021. So I'm gonna do that. Then it also gave me some coupons. Coupon of $3 off if I buy any of the following: Green Mountain, Donut Shop, or McDonald's McCafe. I used to like McDonald's coffee, but you know, they use a lot of cream, and for some reason, I'm not lactose intolerant, but the cream that they use for some reason got my stomach going like bubble guts. And then they also gave me a $3 coupon off of their Keurig maintenance product. That's their descaling solution, which is something I probably could have just used in the old one that my mom had, but so it says the minimum is 6 ounces, then it's 8, 10, and 12, and I have some examples of that. So this is a Dunkin' Donuts cup that I brought at Dunkin' Donuts. I believe this would be probably considered maybe 8 ounces, and it fits just nice. It's just nice, right? The next one is 10 ounce, you would say, and this fits just lovely, nice and easy. I'm actually going to use this cup. And then we have the one that we have for Christmas, has a snowman on it, and I believe this is the 12 ounce, because look, it just fits. It just fits. So these are different sizes. I wanted to show you guys an example of how that looks. Alright, so the directions it said was to, in order to clean it, you're not using soap. So what you're doing is you're going to fill this up. So I'm going to fill it up to the max. So it says not to use distilled water. So my fridge gives water. So I'm going to put the 12 ounces into here. And it says that it's going to fill it up. Almost overfilled, y'all. So first off, let me plug it in. It said that you can plug it into an extension cord if you need to, but it just gave instructions of, like, I guess if you permanently wanted to keep it keep it in an extension cord, but I don't. So it says to press the power button, which I did, and it's glowing. You guys see it? I'll show you now. You see it glowing? You can see the power button. Before you couldn't see it because it would just be all black. So you see now it's white. And it said to pour in the water. said to pour in the water. I'm gonna pour in the water. I hope I don't. I'm scared. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Alright. 12. Right? After you pour the water in, it says to lift and lower handle and do not insert K-cup. So I lifted it. Now I'm gonna push it down, and then it's a light that's flashing. It's a light that's flashing on the top of it. And it says the brew indicator light will flash to indicate that brewer is ready. And then it says to press the brewer button. Bink. And you can see the water coming down like it's emptying out of the reservoir. And it's done. And the flashing stop is just a solid line, and then now it went off. It's ready to really brew. I'll give it a second. So the solid line is there. It's heating up. It's getting the coffee nice and hot up. You can see the smoke. It's really hot. I don't know if you can see. See the smoke. See the smoke? That is hot. You guys can see the smoke now. That's it. Oh, a nice hot cup of water. Maybe you can do it like this. This is the first time doing it just to clean it. So I guess like if you don't have time to boil water or whatever reason and you want to boil some water for some tea, I guess you can do it that way as well. But we are going to use this and make our first cup of coffee. Are you guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready? So I have a Dunkin' Donuts cup, and I actually have Dunkin' Donuts K-cups. It's just original. I wanted French vanilla, but they didn't have, so I have the original flavor. And if I'm gonna get discounts on the Keurig, the K-cups, how it said 24 count or less, it's talking about this size. This is 22 K-cups, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this machine. And I personally plan on using going to BJ's, because BJ's sell things in bulk and in abundance, and I can just put it right on the shelf right there. So here we go. So now we're making my actual first cup of coffee. So pour this in. It's the spillage for me. All right, power on. Bam, power on. We're pro at this now. So we're gonna, ooh, I'm opening it like the way they have it in the store. All right, so it's supposed to be perforated, and yeah, we see how that turned out. So I'm gonna take the Dunkin' Donuts original. I put it inside. You're gonna close it. Now that it's punctured it, the light is on, indicating that it's ready to brew. I'm gonna bring you over here so that you can see what I'm talking about how. So I'm gonna press the button and look, it's emptying out. Empties it out like that's the coffee. Alright guys, so the coffee is ready. So here it is. Here it is. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this silk half and half. This one is made with oat milk and coconut milk. Now you guys know that I'm staying away from dairy, but I had this silk unsweetened almond creamer. When I tell you that, guys, in my opinion, this is disgusting. This one is gross. It's supposed to be vanilla. It has the slightest hint of vanilla and it's disgusting. You guys remember I told you about this milk right here, Calify unsweetened vanilla. It smells and tastes the same. Disgusting. I mean, I know it's supposed to be like almond milk, so it tastes like, in my opinion, liquid almonds, but it really tastes like liquid almonds, like I'm drinking almond extract or something without any kind of sweetener. That's the whole purpose of me getting it vanilla flavored, and it's horrendous. So I put 3 equals in because I'm not using sugar, even though I know artificial sweeteners aren't the best for you, but in my position, that's what's best for now. I'm gonna fill it all the way up. Yes, that's how I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Make sure everything is nice and blended. I like my coffee like looking really light. I don't know about you. This is how my coffee looks. You guys see? It's really light looking. Alright, here we go. That's a good cup of coffee. It's good. It tastes like Dunkin' Donuts coffee, but perfect. Like seriously, just the right amount of hint of sweetness and the cream. Wow, this is perfect. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you comment down below any unboxings that you would like me to do, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.